Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by prepping fruit and immediately blending to preserve flavor and color. Chop larger fruit into even pieces so the blender works efficiently. Add a controlled amount of liquid, 1/4 to 1/2 cup, so the puree is pourable but not watery. This keeps ice crystal formation low. Stir in sweetener a tablespoon at a time, tasting as you go because fruit sweetness varies. Once the puree is smooth, pause and check consistency. It should flow easily into molds without sloshing. Now continue by filling molds strategically. Pour a base layer, then add small fruit chunks or a swirl of yogurt to create texture and balance. Make sure you leave about 1/4 inch of headspace because liquid expands as it freezes. This prevents cracking or leaking. If you use sticks without molded lids, freeze until slushy, about 30-60 minutes, then insert sticks straight to secure them in place. Once sticks are stable, transfer the molds to the coldest part of your freezer to finish solidifying. Finish by freezing the molds long enough for full solidity, typically 4 to 8 hours. Overnight is safest. To release, run warm, not hot, water over the outside of the molds for 10-20 seconds, then gently pull. This quick thermal shift loosens edges without melting the center. If your popsicles turn out icy or brittle, blend a small amount of fresh puree or add a tablespoon of alcohol per batch to lower freezing point and improve creaminess, and refreeze briefly to reset texture.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.